In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code Remote so you can start new sessions from your phone and not just pick up existing sessions that you already started on your computer. If you haven't already set up remote control, I suggest checking out that other video. I'll link to that above. Boris Cherny showed this the other day where he's able to start new sessions from Claude Code, but it wasn't available. So let's just look at it on my phone really quickly. So here's my iPhone. If you see here, the same button he clicks opens up the default cloud environment. And when I want to start a new remote control session, it's grayed out for me. I can't do anything. And if I press the plus button, it's to create a new cloud environment. We don't want that. And the setup's actually really easy. They just didn't put it into the documentation yet. All you have to do is run Claude Code Remote Control from the directory that you want to have it open at all times. Of course, you have to have Claude Code set up on your computer, remote control set up, and this still means you have to have a terminal session running and open all the time. And this will only work if you're on the Max, Team, or Enterprise plan. And the other requirement is you have to have GitHub set up. So now let's just open up a terminal and go to the directory that we want to open up every time we start Claude Code Remote. Now let's just copy this command and paste it in. And then we see Claude Remote Control is launching in spawn mode, which lets you create new sessions in this project from Claude Code on web or your mobile app. I'm just going to say 1 for the same directory. And just like that, we see connected. So now if we go back to our iPhone and we click down here, we see a new session and it's not grayed out anymore. So just click onto that. Now we're using Claude Code on this computer. So I'll just say something like, tell me about this directory. And we can see the new session called Analyze and Document Directory show up right here in connected sessions. And that was one of the big setbacks for remote control, is that you had to start a session on your computer and then you could only pick it up from your phone. But now you can start multiple sessions, at least 32 in a single directory from your phone or your iPad or the web. And if you want to end the session, it's very simple. All you do is Ctrl+C and it will shut down your active sessions. So now if we try and start another one, it disappeared. And again, this one is grayed out. By the way, they also fixed slash commands. Certain slash commands actually work in remote control now. The thing is, autocomplete doesn't, so you have to know what slash command you want to use, and sometimes you won't see it reflect in the app itself, but it will happen on your computer. So for example, let's just do /clear, my favorite slash command, press enter, and we see that the slash command worked perfectly here on our local session. So huge improvements to remote control, because we could deal with permissions on the app itself, because we could have up to 32 different sessions in a single directory. I think that remote control is the best option right now for accessing Claude when you're away from your computer. So I hope you found this video helpful or insightful. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.